guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys know when I'm here is about to get popping. Yay. Thank you guys for tuning in into this video, God. I tried something new. I did try to do the brows first before foundation. Like, this is a very big deal, like a very big task for me. Like, when I started doing makeup, I started with brow fold, but later on, like after 1 year or 2 years into makeup, I stopped doing brow fold. I started doing foundation before brows. I just don't like the fact I'm gonna do my brows before my foundation, because when I'm applying my foundation, I don't like being careful, like trying to avoid the brows. Then again, when I do the brows first, I feel like I don't really get the brows perfect, because you know what? When I do the contour, the highlight, everything, the face is already sculptured, like sculptured. So when I draw the brows on, I already know how the face is looking before I draw the brows. So it's easier for me to get the perfect brow shape. My girl wanted some color in her hair, so I like, girl, let's do it. So I colored the hair. So this hair is from Vigo hair. Vigo hair, it came in this pink cute package. Pink, yeah. So I'm gonna put the link to Vigo hair in the description box. All the details of Vigo hair is gonna be in the description box. Use 3 packs, and the front two is nice. I did pluck the front a little bit as well. If you know the bride that love popping, you can wear this for your reception, okay? For your reception. Yes guys, enjoyed the video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I bleached the hair twice and it's still cute. So guys, check them out. Link to Vigo hair, it's gonna be in the description box. All the link details, link to my giveaway, link to my boutique. Yes, check your girl out. It's gonna be in the description box as well. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the video and hope you guys will love my brow force technique. Let me know what you think about my brow force technique, okay? Bye. Mwah.
Salut! Bienvenue sur la page de Beautician Chic. C'est notre styliste, modéliste, maquilleuse professionnelle pour tous vos mariages, sorties, galas, anniversaires, tout ce que vous désirez. Elle a fait les cheveux, elle a fait le maquillage professionnel. Vraiment, je vous conseille, souscrivez, contactez-la pour tout ce que vous voulez et elle vous fera des merveilles. Salut, bye.
I didn't hear it too.
Oh, I'll just say that. Oh, hi, this is Beautician Chic page. This is our makeup artist professional.
Oh, okay.
If you need anything like bridal,
Oh, okay.
outing, very poshy things,
Okay.
so you just contact her, call her, subscribe, then you get whatever you want. So that's what I say.